What's up, guys? Thank you for opening up to my video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and please subscribe to this channel. Trust me, you won't regret it. Okay, so in today's video we are doing a stretch workout. Make sure you do this after every workout so that you stretch out your muscles and they'll feel so relaxed. So stay tuned to this video. Okay, so we are starting with the head stretch. We are stretching the muscles in our necks, and we are going the left, right, up, down stretch in this first set of stretch workouts. So let's go. Okay, so we move on to arm stretch, and you stretch forth your arm and lock it with the other hand upward and look the opposite way so that your muscles in your arms will be stretched. So we are doing this for both left and right hand. Okay, so we now move to our waist. So we are moving down slowly to our waist, and this time around you bend slightly and put your other hand on your waist and stretch the other hand up and stretch your waist for some time, and you bring it down slowly to the other side of your waist. So we are doing this for both sides to stretch out our waist and our back. Okay, so still on our waist, you lock your fingers and then push them forward and bend slightly to still stretch your waist and your back in this video. Okay, so the next one, we are moving to our thighs and our legs. So in this one, you raise your leg and your knee to your stomach level and support it with your hands upwards and push your knee towards your tummy. We are stretching out our legs and our thighs, and after that you open it up and stretch them openly too. So still stretching out our legs and our thighs, you try to sit on one leg and stretch the other leg out, and then turn it over and stretch it out again. For the last but not the least in this video, you lock your fingers again and push it down to your feet to stretch your thigh, your leg, your back, and your hands as well in the last video. So this is what we are ending with in this stretch video. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and like this video if you really do like it. Thank you and bye.